Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing? So, I don't know if you saw the other day when I was showing my floor had been lifted video that during the process of moving everything in the sewing room and unpacking that I'd found the threads that I had pulled for that spring welcome banner that I'm going to be stitching, and that I didn't know where the flannel was. Well, I did find the flannel. I had cut enough. I had to cut it down, and I ironed it, and then on my note to myself it said, don't forget to put that iron on pull away or tear off stabilizer on. So I have each piece is done. So now what I need to do is go in and cut. This is a heavy cutaway that's going to be my actual base layer under there. I probably will not be putting any batting under this, as heavy as it's going to be when it's done. And it's just a wall hanging, doesn't need to be a quilt. But I am going to be using that. I have my designs on the stick, the colors pulled. I know where the color chart is. So I'm a little excited to get started, but I'm also a little bit nervous, as it has been a bit for me since I have run my embroidery machine. So, I had to dust it off a little bit. I'm about to thread 5 colors on there. I'm going to leave the 6th one white because it will be the outline stitch to the block, and I'll use it as a guide to where to cut. So that's where I'm at right now, and I'm excited to get started. I don't know, it's late in the afternoon right now, so I don't know if I'm going to get it started today, because nobody really wants to hear that late in the afternoon. So I'll probably start it sometime in the morning. But I am super excited. Oh, I need to get my hoop down and everything. I'll probably go ahead and get the machine threaded, and maybe the first thing hooped up. But I am super excited. So I've got some embroidery projects in mind, maybe some embroidery quilting type projects in mind. But it's time I start using the machine and the thread a little bit more. And with that, I am going to close it out. I hope you follow along. There is another video that shows which Embroidery Library welcome banner I am doing. It's a floral welcome banner. It's really, really cute. So if you want to follow along, I'd like for you to come back and watch. Till then, talk to you later. Bye.